here in Coco Curry. I'm hungry. Let's go eat some curry. Yeah. So I'm at Coco Curry. Coco Curry is awesome. So what you do is you get your menu and you go through. Now first thing you do is you pick your curry sauce. You pick how much rice you want. You pick your spice level. Then you can go. So your spice level 1 to 10. 1 is base level, so that's like just a nice tasty curry, Japanese sauce. But you go 10. 10 is really 10 spicy. Trust me, it's spicy. I've gone 10 before and it is very, very spicy. 5's pretty good. Probably recommend that. But if you love your curry, go for 10. And then you pick your add-on. So you've got like pork cutlet, and sausage, and you've got vegetarian stuff and all this different stuff. I've gone pork curry with cheese. It's good. I'm excited. I love it. I get excited all the time at Coco Curry. This place is awesome. They're everywhere throughout Japan. Literally, like, you walk 500 meters and see a Coco Curry. They're awesome. They're fairly cheap. I think for the base is how much? 5. I think you literally pay about $10. It's pretty cheap. It's good. Oh, and they have an English menu, Japanese menu. They have an English menu. You don't have to ask for it. It's always on the table. Lots of people come here. Not just in English. I think they have it in like about 5 or 6 different languages on there. It literally explains how to do it. Super, super simple. Staff are always friendly. They're used to foreigners being here. It's good. It's always a mix of Japanese and foreign people here. So I've got a pork sauce. Let's try that sauce. It's actually still boiling. It's still boiling. That's how hot it is. It's not bubbly. It's so nice. Spice level 5. Spice level 5's good. Not too spicy. Not too mild. Has got enough kick to it. No, it's good. With the rice. Oh, it is literally the best curry and that pork curry with the cheese. Look at that cheese. It is so cheesy and good. It's beautiful. So good. Literally the best. You need a nap after the cheese one. Coco Curry, so good, delicious, the best. Gotta try it. So mine came to $12. I had one with the cheese and the pork cutlet. If you just want to get a basic one, it's about $9. Really cheap. Check it out. You're super full afterwards. Need a nap. $10. Can't go wrong. Do it. Yeah.